All right, good morning slash evening. It is 11:03 p.m. here in Kentucky, but back home on the East Coast, it is 12:03 a.m. 12:03 a.m. Friday. Now, something exceptional is going on, and that is the only reason I am making this video so early. Because normally, my normal routine is I don't start my scan routines until 3 a.m. East Coast time. And the reason is that's when the European and the British markets open, and that's when the markets really start to move, and you can really get an idea of what's going on. But this currency that I'm about to mention to you has been performing exceptionally well, and it's not normal for this currency to perform like it has been for a couple of months at least now. This is extraordinary for this currency. Okay, because normally you can pretty much bet against this currency. It'll either level off or get weaker against the other currencies. Sometimes a touch stronger, but for the most part, it has been getting weaker for quite a long time. And I'm talking when I say quite a long time, I mean more than a couple of years. And now it has been on a strengthening path and it's continuing to. And it's basically, this is trading right here. Just like I've said before, I've said a couple of times, when there's an opportunity, it's going to be right in your face. There's going to be no guessing. When there's an opportunity to trade, it's just going to be right in your face saying, here, trade me. You want to make money? Here I am. Come and take advantage of this opportunity. That's trading. And that's what this currency is saying. Okay, and another beautiful part about this currency is it doesn't take a lot to get in, and from my analysis, it's just been going in a steady strengthening pattern, and that's important because if it's a steady, stable strengthening pattern, it won't put a hard test on your psychology. And what I mean by that, it won't make you panic and make sudden judgments, which you shouldn't be making. It'll be easier for you to just sit back and just enjoy the trade. Okay, so we're gonna go over it. And the pair I'm talking about is the ZAR Rand, the ZAR. My personal nickname for it is the Zulu Rand, but it's actually the South African Rand or the ZAR Rand. But I'll be saying more than likely Zulu Rand. I just like to call it that because it's South Africa. But anyway, as you can see here, now this is the British pound and the Zulu Rand. And I want you to get a big picture of what's been going on. It started further back. It started way back in February. Okay. Actually, further than that. No. Well, let's just say for right now, I'm not going to waste a lot of time. Let's just say February. This started back in February. Now look at this. Since February, the Zulu Rand has been getting stronger and stronger and stronger and slowly getting stronger. And like I've told you previously, you could always bet that the Zulu Rand would get weaker. As you can see here, back in June of 2022, how it just steadily took more Zulu Rands to purchase British pounds. Then it leveled off. But now this is exceptional. Okay, there's never been a long run like this. Since February, it's taken fewer and fewer rands to buy British pounds. So this is a really good trade to consider. All right, that's the British pound Zulu Rand. As you can see, you got I made this thick so you could see it. You see this lagging span is well underneath the price action, far away from the price action. So that means this is going to run. You see, you can just barely see the conversion line is starting to point downward again. Yes, your baseline is flattening out, but more than likely it's going to continue downward. It's far away from the cloud. The cloud is starting to thicken, and this is a downward cloud. This is a beautiful trade. And like I said, you can probably hold on to this for a while. Look at the weekly here. Look at that. Bam. It is pointing downward, all force downward. This something's going on, but like with the Zulu Rand, something could be going on with South Africa. Who knows? That's not our job to know. Our job is to look at the charts and see what's going on right now. And right now, this thing is getting strong. That's the British pound, Zulu rand. All right, next we'll go over Zulu rand and the Japanese yen. Okay, same thing. We'll say since September, this has been getting stronger, a lot stronger. You see how it's taking more yen to buy the Zulu rand. And this is going to be a continuous pattern as well, okay? Look at the weekly here. The upward cloud is just starting to build. And look at that price action, it's just upward, okay? This is a beautiful trade. Look at there, the conversion line is pointing up. Yes, the baseline is flat, but you see we got this green cloud, this upward cloud just starting to form. Price action is above the lagging span is above the price action. This is a nice upward trend, but you want to look at the daily. You really want to pay attention to the daily. And this thing is just going up. It's just going to continue to go up, okay? And let's see. Another one would be the euro. Same thing. Look at that. Bam. Now, I am personally in this trade, and it's steadily going down. You got your lagging span far away from the price action. Conversion line is flat right now, but probably when the market opens at 3 a.m., when this market really starts to kick off, this will go downward. Baseline is flat, but it'll continue to go downward. I'm very confident about this trade, and the reason is because of where the lagging span is and where this downward cloud is. You can look at the weekly too, but look at that, bam. You can't ask for more than this, okay? The important part is the daily. Ichimoku works well with the daily, very well with the daily, and everything is pointing downward. Now, I got into this trade earlier today. The Zulu rand is taking off, and it's been taking off for a while. Like I said, if it doesn't take a lot to get into it, it's a nice stable trade. This is a good trade for you to consider. The ZAR or Zulu rand, South African rand. Okay, I just wanted to bring this up to you real quick, and good luck to you, and I will see you next time. Take care.